Good morning friends. Today we are discussing that what Ayurveda Yogashram can give for the precaution, for the safety, for the cure, for the care of HIV or AIDS. So listen, in this case we have developed a very unique formula under the name of Immuno Plus Gold. Previously we have Immuno Plus, and now with all our research data and analytical study, we have developed a formula which is known as Immuno Plus Gold. What consists of Immuno Plus Gold? It is basically a combination of 10 types of herbs, and among those herbs, the number one herb is Tinospora cordifolia. We have to give Tinospora cordifolia in extract form. Please listen. When we provide any medicine, any herb in extract form, its basically potency increase up to 7 to 10 times. And in this Immuno Plus Gold, we are providing Tinospora cordifolia in an extract of 7 times strength. And you know, Tinospora cordifolia is known as the best immunomodulator herb in all over the world. Second is Ocimum sanctum or Tulsi. You know, this particular plant is basically worshipped by all Indians from north to south and from east to west. Why? Because this herb is basically a herb which decreases our viral load, and when viral load is decreases, it means we are making our body more and more immunostrong. Third, that is known as Azadirachta indica or neem. It is the best anti-protozoal, best antiseptic, best antivirus, best antibacteria, and in all of these cases it basically form our cellular sheet very strong. Number 4, that is known as Ashwagandha or Withenia somnifera. In Withenia somnifera, we provide strength to the bones, strength to the muscles, strength to the cells, strength to the tissues, and it acts as a rasayan and vajikaran for the patient. And when Ashwagandha is in extract form available with the above said combination, it creates miracles. Number 5, that is known as Mulethi or Glycyrrhizia glabra. It basically balances our Vata, Pitta and Kapha, because in all types of HIV and viral problems and AIDS problem, our Vata, Pitta, Kapha balance are distorted. So with this particular herb, we make it balance in each and every condition, and it basically balances our all type of chemical and enzymatic and hormonal secretion without any artificial chemicals. Number 6, that is known as Kalmeg, and this is the plant which when we use as a extract form, it is best for liver, best for gallbladder, best for intestine, best for all type of virus, and for all type of circulation of blood in every part of the body. Kalmeg is the best. Number 7, that is very important plant, that is known as Ambelica, and or it is known as Amla. It is the richest source of vitamin C in all of the world, and when we use in extract form, it basically makes our cellular sheet so strong that no new virus can enter in that particular cell. And yes, along with that, we also inhibit the multiplication and growth of the other virus present in the body. Number 8, that is known as Kutki or Picrosa cura. It basically have very strong functions because it corrects all the enzymatic and hormonal secretion without giving a single hormone. Number 9, that is the best plant all over the world, that is known as turmeric, that is known as curcuma longa, and particularly in this Immuno Plus Gold, we basically produce a 95% extract of curcuminide, which is even helpful in advanced stages of cancer also, and helpful in this particular virus. It decreases the viral load present in the body, plus it also diminishes the already present virus inside the cells. And 10th is the most important, that is the gold, and we use the very best old classical compound that is known as Swarna Basant Malti Ras, and this is known as the best rejuvenator, best antiviral, best antiseptic, and it increases our body oja. Oja is basically a summary of Ras, Rakt, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. It means it basically provide nutrients for all type of tissues, and it basically clears all the channels. So dear friends, when we give Amino Plus Gold one morning, one evening for HIV patient, it covers all the 3 factors which I have told to you. And the second point and second medicine is known as Alpha Care. Alpha Care is basically herbamino preparation, very good. Basically it makes our all type of body organs, from gastrointestinal problem up to respiratory organs and urinary organs. It makes them so powerful so that it excretes all the waste material present in the body without giving any antibiotic. You can correlate this product as a herbal antibiotic without any chemicals. And you have to take this Alpha Care one morning, one evening, one night after meal. Amino Plus Gold one morning, one evening after meals. In this HIV kit, we provide 2 bottles of Amino Plus Gold and 1 bottle of Alpha Care. Alpha Care 3 times in a day, Amino Plus 2 times in a day. Since you are taking this medicine, still if you have any query, you can call us at the below numbers which are this roaming on this screen, or you can WhatsApp your reports on this number. Our all Ayurveda Yogashram team will help you to make your life more better, more balanced and joyful. Thank you, Dr. Naveen Arya.